Hello everyone, today I am going to share my review of an Spring TEDx talk titled When AI Cannot Everything, What Should Humans Learn by Chemistry Scholars from TEDx University of Tel Text talk discuss the impact of artificial intelligence on education humans skills and the future of learning. It explaining how humans can appear themselves from an AI driven world. So start my short summary. So in this study talk, Christian scholars and explain that artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful part of our lives. AI can process information quickly and platform many tasks, but it contact replace human creativity, emotions, critical thinking, and imaginations. She implies that education should help students develop unique human skill and learn how to use AI responsibility. This static stores give a important message about the future of humans and artificial intelligence. Christian scholars explain that AI changes the way we learn, work, and solve problems. Many people think that AI will replace humans, but the speaker explained that AI is a tool that can help humans grow and actively move. So one of the main ideas of this talk is that humans should focus on developing skills that AI cannot easily copy. These skills include creativity, emotional intelligence, communications, critical and ethical thinking. AI can give us answer and analyzing information, but humans have the ability to create new ideas, understand feeling, and make decisions based on values. The speaker also highlighted the importance of charging our education system instead of only teaching system students to Amazon's employs information. We should teach them how to think, invite that, and use technology wisely. Students should learn how to work with AI and use it as a partner for improvement. So I found this talk very inexplained because it showed that the future not about humans variables AI. The real success will come when humans combine their creativity and intelligence with the power of artificial intelligence. This talk teaches us that technology is advances quickly, but human qualities will always remain values. So my ending. So this is my outro. When AI cannot everything, what should humans learn? Why? It's a powerful and meaningful TED talk that encouraging us to appear for the future. AI man become smartly, but human creativity, emotions, and imaginations will always make us feel unique. We should not fear AI in the string. We should learn how to use it positively and responsibly. The future Mora. So my Mora, the future does not belong to those how complete with AI, but to those how learn how to collisions will AI will strengthen their own humans abilities. So okay, thank you.